Are you an SQL Server admin and facing problem with corrupt MDF file? Then you must use Aryson SQL Database Recovery software. It successfully restores SQL database objects from corrupt MDF file. The software is a combination of complete recovery solution to repair your SQL files. Allow users to save the files in SQL scripts. Support corrupt MDF and NDF files. Compatible with Microsoft SQL Server 2016, 2014, 2012, 2008, 2005 and 2000. It smoothly recover, ransomware attacked MDF file and restore SQL Server database. Now let's begin in detail. Click on Open button to open MDF file. Now in pop-up window, click on Browse button to select your MDF file which you want to recover. Now you have the option to select the scanning mode, standard or advanced mode. Select manually from the given options, that is, show deleted records or show advanced deleted records, and press OK to continue. After scanning process gets completed, you will get a complete preview. You can also see the particular folder details. Now go to Save option and new pop-up window will appear. Select Saving mode. There you have two options, that is SQL Server Database and SQL Server Compatible Script. When you go for SQL Server Database option, then you have to fill server authentication details. And for SQL Server Compatible Script, you have to select the path of the file where you want to save the SQL script. Choose Radio button, either select to save the file with schema and date or export it only with schema. Click on the button to save maximum length of column. Press OK to continue. When your recovered data gets saved, you can also save recover SQL data in CSV format. Close the application. Keep turning at www.arysonTechnologies.com. Thanks for watching.